Dyana's Kitchen. If you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. If you are not, welcome. Guys, if you watch any of my video, please consider to subscribe to my channel, alright? This morning, I want to make some delicious grits and I want to share it with you, alright? Let's start, guys. Breakfast time, guys. Breakfast time, guys. As you know, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, guys. For me, it is. All right, so guys, I'm going to make some grits. So this is my grits, guys. All right, I'm going to add some bacon to my grits and I'm going to add some eggs. All right, so this is the grits and a pinch of salt and some butter. All right, and this is my water. This is about 2 cups of water. All right, guys. Okay, let's start, guys. So I'm gonna throw my 2 cups of water in my pot. All right, so that's 2 cups of water, and then I'm gonna put a pinch of salt just for the taste. You definitely want to put some salt, guys, for the taste. Okay, not a lot of salt, but you definitely want some salt. Don't put too much because you're gonna use some butter too. Okay, so this is my butter. All right, so I love put the butter in my water. I like my grits to be nice and creamy. You don't have to put so much butter, all right? But for me, I like it like this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait till my water just have a little boil. Then I'm gonna put my grits in. All right, so see you shortly. All right, guys. So I want to show you, if you don't know, this is how the grits look. All right, this is how it looks, guys. And it's very close, very close, guys. All right, so guys, this grits do not take 5 minutes, take more than that. Sometimes I boil for 15 minutes, sometimes 20 minutes, so you want it tender. All right, guys, so I'm gonna throw my grits in, guys. This is about a cup, guys. You know, those small cups. What you want to do, you want to take your time and throw it in. And if you want more, guys, you can go ahead and, you know, take your time and throw it in and make more. All right, if you feel like you want more, you can put more. Just take your time and, you know, stir it a bit, because guys, this is pretty coarse. As you can see, it's very coarse. Okay, and turn it down. You want to put it on medium heat or low heat. Okay, see that? It's coming up to a boil already. All right, so put it on low heat or medium heat. Okay, I'm gonna put a small amount again. All right, and guys, if you're doing your grits and you feel like you want a little bit more water, you can go ahead and add more water. All right, again, put it on medium heat or low heat. And guys, you have to boil your grits because this is pretty close, as you can see. All right, pretty close. This is not like cornmeal or so on. This is very close. And you have creamery. My daughter love creamery. Creamery is very quick and easy, but this, it takes a while, you know. So I'm gonna boil this for about 15 or 20 minutes, between 15 to 20 minutes. All right, I'm gonna pour a little bit more water in it. All right, so guys, I'm gonna leave this to boil. So guys, I'm going to make my bacon right now. Meanwhile, my grits is making. I'm gonna put my bacon in. Okay, but guys, you don't have to eat any bacon or eggs if you're grits, but I like it, you know, I like it this way. All right, so that's why I'm doing it this way, because I like it this way. Okay, you can just eat your grits just like that, you know, just you know, regular mix it and so on. All right, you don't have to do what I'm doing, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna let this fry. Okay. Alright. All right, guys, so the grits is cooking for about 15 minutes. Here it is, and it still look close, you know. Let me see, it still look good. Okay, guys, I just tasted, and it's gonna cook more. It's gonna definitely cook more, guys. So I'm gonna give it for our next 3 or 5 minutes. Okay. All right, guys, so right now I'm gonna make the eggs. Okay, I'm gonna use the same oil that I used to fry my bacon. I'm gonna use it
to make my eggs.
Guys, I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper over my eggs. I'm not gonna put any salt because salt's already in my bacon. All right, so just the black pepper. All right. So guys, if you want to sweeten your grits with sweet milk or sugar, you can go ahead and do that, but for me, I'm not going to sweeten my grits. So the grits already finished. I'm gonna dish it out right now with my eggs and bacon and show you how it looks. So my grits is finished, guys. It looks delicious, and guys, I know it tastes delicious too. So guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment. If you want me to make something, please let me know. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.